Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Moxee Hotspot. First, find the power button on your Moxee device. It's usually on the side or top. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds until the screen lights up. Give your hotspot a moment to fully power on and initialize its network services. You will see status indicators appear on the screen once it is ready to proceed with the connection process. Next, grab the device you want to connect, like your smartphone or laptop. Go into its Wi-Fi settings, where you'll see a list of available networks. You need to find your Moxee Hotspot's unique network name, often called the SSID. This name is usually printed on a small sticker located on the back or inside the battery compartment of your Moxee device, or on its original packaging. Once you've spotted your Moxee Hotspot's network name in the list, tap or click on it to select it. Your device will then prompt you to enter a password. This is your Wi-Fi password, sometimes called the network key. Just like the network name, this password is also printed on that same sticker on your Moxee Hotspot or its packaging. Type it in carefully to ensure a successful connection. After entering the password, your device should indicate that it's successfully connected to the Moxee network. You can also check your Moxee Hotspot screen, which will typically display an icon or message confirming an active connection and data usage. With a confirmed connection, you are now ready to browse the internet, check emails, and stream content using your Moxee Hotspot's reliable mobile data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.